Hello, welcome to my Cantonese class. Today I would like to talk about Jyutping. Do you know what is Jyutping? Jyutping is a phonic system of Cantonese. If you just take a look at the Chinese character, you have no idea how to pronounce it, right? So Jyutping can help you to pronounce the Cantonese word. It includes three elements, which are initials, finals, and tones. Take a look of the example. Good. How to say good in Cantonese? First of all, you need to take a look of the initial. Initial is H, so we say and then you need to take a look of the final. The final is OU, OU sound, O, O, O. When you put initial and final together, then it is O, ho, O, ho. And then the number represents the tones. So the number 2, it means tone 2. So tone 2 is rising tones. So we say O, ho, ho, O, ho, ho. Alright, that's it for today. Next time I will explain initials. See you next time. Bye bye.